What?
Who the hell broke my goddamn vacuum?
Man, this thing looks like it's been through hell and back.
Has.
What the?
I think the wire broke. I don't know.
Oh, you think so?
I think.
Man, I wouldn't feel safe plugging that fucking thing in.
Shut up! Trying to get the motherfucker to work. Where's the plug?
I'm backing up from this thing.
Ah! Bastard.
That's not helping it.
Well, fuck! Sure, that motherfucker ain't plugged in.
Huh. What's that noise?
I don't know. Fuck! Yeah, you son of a bitch.
Is that the problem?
You're the problem.
Hold up, Dad. I'm seeing smoke over here. I ain't kidding around. Let's look behind this desk. I hear smoke. I see smoke. You see it? Something smoking over here. Unplug that goddamn power bar. This should look like the power grid on fucking Ghostbusters.
Oh, goddamn hot too! Is everything gonna bring around here today? Goddamn computer. Now. Man, fuck. Ah, goddamn!
What happened?
Give me the goddamn head!
Are you alright?
You goddamn. Motherfucker!
Dad, relax, okay?
Here! Go back in the yard! Here's your goddamn little brother! What's all this shit? Go back in the goddamn porch, you motherfucker! Fuck!
Where you going?
To buy a goddamn vacuum cleaner and a goddamn power bar! Money, money, money! All y'all got, I think you rigged that motherfucker. I think you did it. If I prove you fucking did, fat boy. Get out of here! Hurt my foot.